I'm Alex, a good friend of the O'Dowd's crew. You might recognize me from the sea salt texture spray haircut video. What I'm going to do today is show you how I achieve that hairstyle on a day-to-day basis. First, I just take a shower, towel dry, and as you might hear in other videos, let it air dry for a little bit because you don't want it like soaking wet. You want it to be like damp to the touch, but not wet. And then once I've gotten that done, I just use a little bit of our styling treatment, which is one of my favorite products that O'Dowd's has because it gives my hair a little bit of body and moisture, and it kind of locks that in all day. It makes my hair really soft, really manageable. Especially for my hair that's kind of fine, it's going to give me a little bit of body and weight that I need to hold my hair in place. So I just put about that much, put it all up in my hands, and just get it everywhere. You want to get it nice and even, so I suggest using a comb to comb it through, get it nice and down to the roots. You want to cover the whole strand of hair. You don't want to localize and just put it in one area, because that doesn't really work for anyone. All right. And then I just use a really healthy dose of our sea salt spray. So I like kind of really just saturate the whole head. Like to really get it in there. And then again, comb it through. I love the texture spray because it is, in the warmer months, the styling treatment doesn't really do the full job that I need it to, because it starts getting really warm, really humid, starts like really weighing my hair down. So I love the texture spray because it really absorbs some of that moisture that I get from the styling treatment, and it really allows me to get the full pompadour while remaining really soft and like really dry, but without it being quite as dry as, say, the matte paste might make it. Okay, so after I comb it through, I use my handy dandy blow dryer, which is the secret to good volume. I put it on the warm setting, not the hot setting, because I like to do it nice and slow. Put it on high. And so my hair is pretty much dry now, and I'm just gonna brush the rest into place. It's a really good tip to use something like a vented brush. You don't want to use a fat paddle brush because you really want it to have long bristles that are gonna penetrate deep into your hair to lift it up. And there you have it. That's how I style my hair every day.